I'm Garreth Bird. My film's called Hive, and I'm one of the organisers of On the Boil. One of the things On the Boil is about is basically giving visibility to some of the short films that have been made. All the films being screened are made by Cape Town filmmakers, or being made in Cape Town. It's a social event as well. It's a place where you can go and have a couple of drinks and chat and meet some interesting people, and we're going to have some music there. The continuation of On the Boil depends a lot upon people's response to it. We're not charging a price at the door. We're saying to people, give what you think this is worth. So my short film's called Hive. Hive is slightly unusual in that it's taking documentary footage that I've shot as well as historical still images and kind of mixing them together to comment on the state of aggression versus peacekeeping in our world today. It's got documentary footage in it, it's got historical images, it's very visceral, it's a bit of rock and roll really. And so it's more a visual poem than a strict short story.